Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sushi roll updated. Start by rinsing 1 cup sushi rice until water runs clear, then cook it. While rice cools, slice fillings into even strips and prep nori sheets on a bamboo mat. Spread rice thinly, leaving a clean edge, add fillings, and roll tightly. Lightly wet the knife between slices for neat pieces and serve with soy and pickled ginger. In this video, I will explain how to make a sushi roll updated. Cook 1 cup sushi rice using a tight lid and gentle simmer for even results. After cooking, fold in 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a pinch of salt while fanning to cool. Spread rice evenly on nori, keeping a 1-inch clean margin at the far edge. Cooling rice prevents soggy nori and keeps rolls firm. In this video, I will review how to make a sushi roll updated. Quick recommendation. If you want a pleasant little pick-me-up after a long prep session, Little Tree's black ice fits in any glove box and smells great. It's a small, funny way to celebrate your homemade sushi run. If this sounds helpful, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make a sushi roll updated. Lay nori shiny side down and spread rice thinly, leaving a 1-inch margin. Arrange fillings horizontally and begin rolling with the bamboo mat, applying steady pressure to form a tight cylinder. Seal the edge with a dab of water and rest the roll seam side down. Use a wet, sharp knife to cut 6 to 8 even pieces for a clean presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.